2026 Nissan Frontier, gonna go LED cargo lights. This is how it currently looks with the factory halogen bulbs. Got these from Amazon, that's the brand. So removal of the light assembly is taking these clips, they're on the headliner. So you do one side, the other side. So size is a 10mm. I'll just pop both of these out. So you just tighten it up, put your plugs back on. Also test the lights before you assemble everything, just in case you might have a light bulb backwards. And then I'll do a walk around on how it looks at night.
Ladies and gentlemen.